You're replaceable by technology unless you build your skills. Hey folks, Dave Susan with 180 and 180 coming at you from Indiana today. And I'm in this awesome car, newest technology, 500 miles on it, brand new. And it's got lane assist, but it also has steering assist. So if I'm just barely touching the wheel, it'll actually steer itself. And I realize we are now replaceable by technology. And the only way we're not replaceable by technology is if we are building and developing the skills that make us unique compared to everyone else. So as I think about sales, one of the things about salespeople is it's hard to replace them because in many cases it is a face-to-face job. Unless, let's say you are working for a SaaS firm, software as a service. Many of those, their strategy of selling their product is to give the product out for free, one user here, one user there, and the idea is they do all the marketing, they drive the attention and the interest, and all of a sudden these companies start acquiring more and more and more of the technology. Well, that does not take a sales rep to use technology like that. It takes a phenomenal sales and marketing team. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to swim upstream. You need to go and build your skills to be able to do those larger opportunities. Why? Because at some point, these SaaS companies have infiltrated enough of the user base where now the idea is how do we get the entire corporation or the entire company to use our products? And to make those big buying decisions, then it requires a sales rep to be able to go on site with the client, meet with the client, and really work with them, their finance department, their tech department, their business units, etc. And now it becomes a more complex sale. And if you are the one with those skills, not just telemarketing, which anyone can do, but if you are the one that has those skills, that understands how to infiltrate a more strategic approach, complex sale, multiple decision makers, multi-million-dollar deals, then that makes you valuable and you're not replaceable. So if you'd like to learn more, make sure you reach out to me. Happy to help you get to that point. But until you build those skills, you are replaceable because of technology, as in my car today. That's it, folks. Dave Susan, 180 and 180, coming at you from Indiana, out.